Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Many of you have asked me the same question, how to find logo design ideas, so I thought of explaining the entire process through a video. This is a very difficult question to answer since there is no way to teach creativity. But there are some methods that will help you get ideas. So today, I will be showcasing my process of generating effective logo design ideas. This will help you become more creative and find better solutions for your clients. So don't forget to drop a like, and comment on what you think is the most important thing I have discussed in this video. I will be sharing the top 3 comments in my next video. Have a nice watching. Effective logo design ideas. It is important for you to spend time thinking. This is a process that requires a lot of time. This process can take a lot of time, but I can assure you, if you follow this method, you will have a unique solution for your client. To start the deep thinking process, you will have to collect a lot of information from the client. This can be easily done by creating a design brief. It's a basic document with a set of thoughtful questions regarding the client's brand. I will leave links in the description to some articles that will help you explain how a design brief should look like. To better understand this, let's take a client as an example. After sending him the design brief, he responded with this information. The brand's name is Coffee Time, they are a cafe. The client wants something vintage and classy. To achieve that, we will use the word coffee and create a mind map to extract some related words. A mind map is a simple visual representation of words related to the main word. After this, I have arranged all of the words in a table form. I will select a few words and pair them up. This is the entire thinking process. Now all you have to do is to research these words, and create unique concepts for your client. If you want me to create a video on the execution process, where I show you how to use all this information to create a logo, then let me know in the comments below. Make sure to drop a like, and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.